Actually, what I'm trying to do is I'm searching something in my laptop. It's a very good stuff what I prepared long back, but fortunately I'm not getting that. If I get that means it is done actually. So I'm not sure in this. Okay, no worries. That's not an issue. Just on it. Okay, leave it. Forget about this. Searching going on. Okay. So, see, when all is there, I want to check how many people you are in today. Ranjan is there, Preetham is there, Suman is there, Tumpa is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See, what I'll do is, see, my way of teaching is, don't get shocked, okay? Always you have the counterpart to ask me because I still believe we all in democracy. So you should not accept like what I say. The way of teaching, the way of what you are getting, how much you are getting. So both side we can improve from all of us. It is for all of us for our professional career. I'm telling from the day one. If you can take in this way, it will be easy for all of us. If you really want to learn and grow, fine. So the thing is, say here, what are you expecting today? Expecting like I'll be teaching HTML, right?
Yes,
I'll
sir.
be teaching HTML. So I'll be telling about the tags. This is that. This is that. This is that, and that is those. Correct. But I'm little. My way is little something different. So we. Okay, is let me. So what I used to do is I'll tell you about the stuff, and I will give you the means the kind of assignment or kind of stuff, or not only giving, because we have some real time work in our bucket. So, okay, so the minimal kind of study, if it means learning, if we do, so then we'll able to execute that. But my intention is to show you the path, and you follow the path and learn the thing and get back to me. You're getting my way, what I'm telling.
Yes, sir.
In the sense, I want to cross the river. I want, because this is very important. Otherwise, there will be a gap in, or there will be a gap in expectation. That is very dangerous. So that's the reason I'm clearing from the day one. How it will be? I want to cross the river. What I'll do is I'll tell you, this is the place from where you will get a boat. This is the counter from where you will get a ticket, and probably these kind of tickets are available as per your budget. You can have the tickets and you go. I'm not coming along with you to buy a ticket and to board you on the board and to take you other side. I'll not come with you. But if you got stuck somewhere, even if you don't know swimming, if you fall down in river, I'll go and take it out. But I'll leave you alone. Is this clear to all?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Yes.
So on that regards, See, we'll start with the HTML. So hopefully what I said, it is clear, right? That
Yes, sir.
means also here is that all we are understood Bengali here, or anyone is not comfortable Bengali?
Sir, I have some problem
Oh,
in
no, sir, no
speaking.
problem, sir.
In
But you understand a
speaking.
little bit. So if
Yes, sir.
something come out from my mouth, it won't be difficult for you to to grab it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm
Yes, sir.
telling you, that's not a point of matter at all. So what I'm telling is, so the HTML will start in such a way that it is not that I will be telling this is tag 1, this is tag 2, this is tag 3, this is tag 4, tag 1 is for this, tag 1 is for that, tag 3 is that. But I will tell you this is the thing, and after you learn these tags and all this part, I'll show you some interesting part which is probably not there in all the textbook, okay, and even in internet also. What we learn from our you know working experience and day-to-day professional gadget and hazard, all these things, okay, what we faced, how we recovered. So those part you will get as an add-on from me, okay. But the learning part you have to do, correct? To okay, so let me talk about HTML, because could you please open PCS global.in in your wherever you are? PCS global.in, open it. Once it is open, let me know, because I'm not sharing, because there might be a problem in connecting. I may get disconnected, so that's the reason I'm not connecting today. I'm not sharing my screen. Have you people opened PCS global.in? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you go, what are the pages you are seeing there? The menu in the PCS global. Tell me the home. Then
Have overview, review, services, updates.
no, the first for
All
the
news, images, maps, videos.
no. What I'm telling is, yes. What I'm telling is the menu. The menu in the sense, in the home page we have na menu.
Like carriers, home
Correct.
carriers,
Home.
and contacts.
After home, what is there? After home, what is there? The immediate second option is home is there,
1
right?
minute. Yes, sir.
So after home, what is there? See, my classroom will be like this only. I will force you to work. It's no other way, because we are not sitting in front of or in a classroom. What is there after home? What is the menu? In PCSglobal.in,
Company
what you can see?
services, sir, company services, hire developers, industry, portfolio. These are the menus.
In the first menu, what is there? The first one. The home is there, no?
First one is, yes, sir, home is there.
Correct. Home is there. And after the home, there is something called contact us is there.
Yes,
About,
sir.
Yes, sir, at last.
you just click on that, about us. You click on that about us. Click on that about us.
Yes, click.
Is that been clicked?
Yes, sir.
So what it's open? What is telling
It's
there on the
showing some
page?
numbers. It's showing some numbers and addresses, opening
Correct.
hours, email ID.
Now, exactly. So now, what I'm telling is, in the URL, what is URL?
Uniform resource locator.
No. So, thanks for the definition, but I'm asking you the URL. Where you get the URL?
Yes,
The www
yes,
used to get.
global.in @ contact us.
Correct. You copy that
That's
URL.
correct.
You just copy that URL, open a new tab and paste over there and try to open. Copy that URL, open a new
Yes.
tab, open a new tab and paste the URL over there.
Sir, I don't get it.
Now what you are getting?
Sir, URL.
I'm telling that pcs.in/contact us, you copy that path, okay, and open a new tab or a new browser, okay, and paste over there. Just copy and paste from first to second and see what the page is coming.
Only contact us content will come, sir.
Pardon? Pardon, come again? Hello? See, what I'm telling, very simple thing here. I'm telling you open the contact us, right? PCS Global contact us, correct? That page. Now you copy that URL and paste in a separate tab. You open another tab where google.co.in is there, and in the instead of google.co.in, you paste that one. pcsglobal.in/contact us, what you copied from the previous tab. What you are getting? Are you getting the same page? What you are seeing in the first tab? Are you the same thing is coming in the second tab? Is this coming? Hey, hello. Why people are silent here? Because is that I have given very hard work or very difficult tasks? Just copy paste, right? হ্যালো
হ্যালো স্যার।
ইয়া টুম্পা, আমি যেটা বলছি সেটা হলো ওই
স্যার বুঝতে পেরেছি স্যার, অ্যাবাউট আস এর ওই যে আপনি অ্যাড্রেসটা কপি করে একটা অন্য ট্যাবে ওপেন করতে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, তো ওটা ওপেন করে দেখো কি হচ্ছে।
Sir, only contact us content will
কন্ট্যাক্ট আস পাচ্ছি স্যার, অ্যাবাউট আসটা পাচ্ছি না।
না, কন্টাক্ট আসটাই বলছি, যেটা কন্টাক্ট আস যেটা খুলে আছে না, হোয়াট এভার দ্য কন্টাক্ট আস ইউ হ্যাভ ওপেন, কারেক্ট,
স্যার
you take just copy that URL and paste in a second tab.
ওকে স্যার। স্যার পেস্ট করেছি।
You enter,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার,
then
http status 404 hyphen not
correct,
found।
correct. So actually I'm a person like this. It's a good mood I used to spoil, you know. So just you have started, but you have started with an error.
Yes sir.
See, this is our PCS global website. We are facing some problem. We are learning HTML, correct?
Okay, yes.
And we have to resolve this. So in the before learning, I'm showing you the problem. Then you have to learn and you have to resolve it. First you have to learn HTML and then you have to resolve.
Okay.
So there is something called 404, correct? What is that 404? See, this kind of learning is a practical learning. Okay.
404 is a status code, sir.
Status code of what? Whose status code?
For giving an error.
No, sir. What I'm asking, fine. Giving an error notification, but who is sending that? I'm sending you. Sunita is sending. Alokda is sending. PCS Global is sending. You are sending. Who is sending? Someone is sending from US. Who is sending this?
It's coming from the database or something else that is not found.
No, database maybe may not be, but I'm telling, you know, who is sending this?
Giving sir error message, মানে actually
Correct.
the code, মানে page is not found currently.
Correct. What I'm telling, so who is sending that 404? So there is 404, right? If I'm not wrong.
All of
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
হ্যাঁ,
The
Yes, sir.
error code is 404, right? And
sir.
so it is not some. So is that is if something problem in if have you faced this kind of 404 before in internet,
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
or this
Many
first
times.
time? Many times, right? So could you remember, have you faced anything else than 404? See, 404 is a code, error code. This is the definition of 404. 404 having some meaning. Anyone aware of what does 404 exactly meaning? Or have you faced any people told that many times they have faced it? So have you faced
Actually,
similar kind of?
server
Yes,
cannot
yes,
find the resource.
exactly, that is written over here. They're finding them, but this 404 I am telling, this 404 they're showing, no,
Yes, sir.
that what is that 404? I am asking you the interview question. If you go to interview on MNC, they'll ask you the same question, the exact interview question I'm asking before you start. See, the 404 is nothing but the page not found, as I told you. See, this is the reply is coming from the server. See, what you are seeing that I told you in the initial days, if I asked your address, okay, I think that time Ladli was there. I may remember her name. If I ask Ladli's address, or if I ask anyone else's address, if you give your address, simply I cannot reach your home, right? I need to take a bus, taxi, and all these things, and Ola, Uber, or something like that. Then I have to identify, and then I have to go, and then I have to. So that is the address. So this address is nothing but pcsglobal.in/contact us, right? In this contact us, suppose I knocked a room, but I'm not getting any response. But whereas pcsglobal.in is opening, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But pcsglobal.in/contact us, it is not opening. That means I'm able to reach there, but I'm not able to connect the person. So 7B probably I click, I rang a bell, that came out, but 7A is not open. Door number 7B is opening. So why I'm telling all these things, practical example again and again, not to make you confused, so that it should go and set in your brain. It should not come out. See, this is because this 404 is a status code of HTTP. You can, if you search 404 status code in web, you'll get the answer. 404 means page not found. It's coming from the server. So see, server, whatever you have requested for, that request is not able to show the page. Simply it is telling page is not available. We have something called 500. Could anyone tell me what is 500 error? Status code is 500. See, these status code, I am telling you, very important interview questions. Basic question they'll ask like that, so that they'll make sure whether you worked or not. You have simply have not come mugging the interview questions. Anyways, interview question setter also you'll get this. But anyways, so see where we were. I told you my journey is little bit different. We were supposed to start HTML, but where we came down in a problem. And that also status code, HTTP status code, the server status code, server is not replying. So before learning, I came with some problem. So let us learn it and solve the problem. Correct?
Yes, sir.
I think you people are not happy with me in the way I'm interacting with you. What is this if you are thinking? It's a mad
No,
fellow
sir.
instead of teaching.
No, sir. I'm happy with
No,
you,
sir.
sir.
Not like that.
No, but I'm helpless. My
No,
way is
sir.
like this.
I think
Anyways, no
entire
problem.
we are happy with you.
No problem. Even I cannot help on that if you're not happy. But the thing is, end of the day, you'll remember. Anyways, so see, as I told you, see, today I supposed to start HTML. Right? Say it is, I feel at this stage it is very very bogus kind of
Sir,
stuff.
actually, I think this is the also important thing, and we have to know that.
These are the things. That's what I'm telling you. See, HTML, if you open, now you'll get 1,000 crores of links and books and available everywhere. but these kind of problems no one will show you and no one will tell you what is the solution from where it is coming. We have to deal with this. See, when you are go for any interview or anything, no, if you industry, if you go, they'll ask for the experience, right? What do you mean by experience? Experience means whether you have worked or not, or you have worked means what? You work means during your work you have faced something. So are you aware of how to fix those things? Otherwise, you don't have any different with the freshers. They are also they'll also start doing Google. You will also start doing Google if a problem is coming. But if you know something prior before that, so it will be easy for you to solve it. Or if you already know the problem, how to solve it. So this assignment also after learning, I'll give it to you how to solve it. But to solve this problem, we need to learn completely. And see, if I tell you if I tell you uh, suppose for example 50 HTML tag. Suppose if I today if I talk with you 50 HTML tag, and tomorrow if I come, if I one by one say like schoolboy, whether you have done this tag, okay, tell me about this tag, tell me about that tag. You may tell, you may not tell, or suppose means for the namesake, let me say you all have learned. But trust me, if you read and learn, that will go away from your brain. Because we are human beings, our brain nowadays is very busy. Very busy in the sense we have lot of activities to do. We have a lot of friends. We have a lot of social networking. We have a lot of WhatsApp, Instagram, blah blah. Everything we are there. We are very active on that. We have nothing wrong in that, and we are awaiting reply, we are waiting for status, we are ready to give our status, and out of all these, this HTML will will go away, even though if we learn 1 or 2 days. Then what is the way? How permanently it will be there in our it will be in our brain or in your memory? We have to give some stress on that. Stress in the sense this kind of problems and solution. If you start working in it, no, so you'll remember whole time. You'll remember. See, let me tell you one again. We are in HTML. Don't forget. Let me tell you one thing. Initial days when I started industry, when the error used to come, no, the bug, what you see in the code, I used to get very scared. Okay, a bug came. What will happen? This is my module. I have to complete, right? And I got this. Always used to means, you know, the module lead or the seniors used to behind them. Okay, it is the it is the natural tendency of everyone to get it dissolved. But from that, I also learn a lesson. Whatever the things I resolve through someone else, he or she by sitting in my chair, that I didn't learn much. But out of those issues, whatever I fixed on my own by doing Google, by struggling, by sitting, not happening, one day it's not work, next day came, again tried something, one approach, this is not, I learned, joined some forum and posted my concern. Someone replied and he's claiming that this way you can achieve, but I couldn't. Again, I replied back. Wherever I have done these kind of scenarios, those things still are in my mind. Even I started my career in 2005, 17th March, if I'm not wrong. So still I can remember those days, 6, 7, the initial time. So the intention is, what I'm trying to convey you is, definitely will take help. But if we learn from our end, if we learn from, if we solve from us, resolve from us, okay, then it will stick with us. Means we have to, it's not that all we can. And let me tell you one beautiful story. Again, I'm reminding you, we are in HTML. One beautiful story is, if we start doing that, solving our own, this is like a set theory. You know set theory?
Yes, sir.
Subset, superset.
Yes, sir.
So suppose we got one problem, problem 2, problem 3, problem 4. So it will be filling your superset. And this way, if you continue, no, after a certain time, you'll be seeing the problems are repeating. If the same problems are not repeating, at least the patterns of the problems are repeating. At that particular time, you will be recognized as an expert, technology expert. People used to say, no, technology expert, consultant, senior consultant, solution architect, because they have mingled with this kind of lot of scenarios, and they one or other way they have solved it. So if you put anyone on that scenario, so they'll able to come out. So it will get saturated. Means your learning will get saturated at that point of time. Is that I'm able to make you understand what I'm trying to tell you,
Yes, sir.
or it is going totally top of your head?
Yes, sir. We can
Any reply?
Top of the head.
Top of the head.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. You need actually some tea or coffee in coffee day. So probably after that only we can do something. Anyways, no worries.
Yes, sir.
So my intention is self-learning is the best learning, which will add some values on you. That doesn't mean that I'm trying to escape to teach you HTML. Okay. But I'm telling you the fact. I'm telling you the fact. Anyway, see, teaching, my teaching will be like this. I shown you the problem. Now I'll give you one link. Open w3school.com. See, my behavior, no, totally against of your expectation. I'm sorry for that.
w3school.com.
Yeah, open that. w3school.com. Schools.com, I believe. SCHLSS. Schools.com. Left hand side, you see a lot of menus are there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Click on HTML.
Yes, sir. HTML home.
Yeah, after clicking the HTML, related to HTML, lot of subtags are there in the left, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct.
From the top, one by one, you have to start learning. It will take hard 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Even you can execute that also. You see, you click anyone and you see, try yourself and you click on that. Even after that, you can execute that code and you can run it. Is that any, all are trying that?
Yes, sir.
w3school.com, go to HTML, okay? From the top, from the number 1 in the left top corner, from
left top corner. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
correct.
HTML tutorial.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Tutorial.
Yes, sir.
From here. At your age. So I feel this is
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Sir has some network.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hey, I got disconnected and again reconnected.
Yes,
It's
sir.
audible now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Audible.
that's what I'm telling. Yeah. See, that's what I'm telling. See, the w3school.com. You please
HTML.
HTML. Click on HTML, and you see in
हाँ
the left hand side lot of tags are there. You plus
हाँ
don't miss anyone. Okay. It will tell
okay.
you hardly if you sit 1 hour, no. Honestly, if you are honest to yourself and if you're not engaged with any phone, any calling, any engagement, if you give that honest 1 hour, okay, you'll be learning
Yes.
this. You complete that. After that only I'll be talking to you. We'll be learning many more interesting things. That's one I told you. Disappoint, guys. Expectation was I'll be telling you tag, right? Hey, is that who joined or Kapil? Kapil joined? Yeah, Kapil, you there? Kapil? No, yes, his phone is mute. Okay, Tumpa is there, Pitam is there. Only 3 people here, 4. Another 2 people are there. Okay, anyways, let them inform. So, guys, so w3school.com, you please learn today, okay?
Yes, sir.
And thinking that theoretically, not only theoretically, if you self learning, if you do this practical part, okay, so I think you will be the basic minimal things whatever we need, so that we will be feeling comfortable when we will start solving those HTML issues, the real time issues. So for that, this basic platform is very required. Okay. uh, is that people, anyone want to say anything? uh, Starting only I told my style is little different. No, it is not like that. In call you will be learning and you'll be there. We'll be we'll be closing this call. So this is the task of, and it's not that I said is w3school.com you have to learn on that. No, I told I this is the where I feel comfortable. This is my personal experience I shared. It's not like that you also feel comfortable on that. Maybe you'll find something else, but that doesn't mean that for the sake of searching HTML you will be searching 60 link and end of the day you'll be learning nothing. Don't do that. You take anyone and learn the basic minimal part, and then we'll be starting the directly the project code. And let me tell you, in Bengali there is something called kantanle matha ase. So with this HTML there is something called CSS also. Okay, so that on the fly I'll tell you. So that doesn't that don't have, that's not a big story also, and that is also there in this w3school.com also. CSS is there. If possible you just have a look, because now you see in these online classes, in online classes, if I tell you the tag, this is the tag, this is doing this is doing that, this is doing that, this is this I feel really very boring, because even I don't know where you people are. It is not that I'm not trust you, that I 100% agree that we all are giving our efforts and we are doing. But if we are there in a classroom, then definitely I have to take a pen and paper, the dashboard. But here the basic minimal part you start, okay, and from the next class I'll be start resolving this issue what I shown you. This is our issue, own issue, and there are lot of many issues I'll be discussing in HTML. And once you do that, trust me, you will be equivalent to 2+ years experience HTML professional. You next day, if you search a Google HTML interview question, you'll able to answer 80% if you keep your promise by your own. You have to be honest to yourself. I'm very clear. Be very clear on that. I told you, I'll show you the ticket counter, I'll show you the board, I'll show you the path, and if you fall down, I'll take you over there. But you have to go alone. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Through guidance.
Yeah.
So guys, this is all. So you please go through that, and your colleagues, is colleague means your friends, whoever has not joined, please inform them, okay, before joining next class, probably Monday or something. Not tomorrow, they are Monday probably will be sitting. Once, how long will take to learn it? One day? I told you, I already told you it is 1 hour. Honestly, if you spend 1 hour, if you spend 1 hour, that will be more than enough. Yeah, please.
It will take hardly 1 hour.
Hardly 1 hour. That's what, honestly, I'm telling you, hardly 1 hour. But please do that. Do that. That execute part is there, no? Where you'll be opening a new browser, where you'll be having one editor, which is sitting on their server, w3school.com server, and there you can execute the code. You do that. That's the reason I came to that. And see the beauty of the HTML. This w3school.com, no? This majority part they have built on HTML. During learning, through this HTML, what can be done? See, I can't give you more, details right now. Otherwise, you please give some input from your own. Then probably we'll be sharing. Okay. See, I am little selfish in this regard. Okay, it is not that always I'll be telling. Even I want to learn from you, because you people nowadays, lot of new things are coming. You people learn and tell me. I'll tell you. I'll solve the issue. No worries. If any errors are coming, that is my part. But you learn and let me know. Fine, guys. Is this okay? Anything you want to say? I know it is little disappointing that I haven't, started like tag 1, tag 2, tag 3, but I am helpless. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm helpless. My style is like this. Okay. Do and let's do. And proceed. Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So when you are meeting next class, along with this, our basic understanding of HTML, so that we can talk and we can solve some problem. And that time solves a problem in the sense that time, and not only solves a problem. Today, whatever you are reading, wherever you will be feeling the difficulties, difficult in the sense you are not satisfied, you are not understanding what they are talking and what exactly what you are thinking, because all we have our own thinking, right? So that you note it down and let's put on that day. I'll discuss with you that part, whatever you are getting, whatever the HTML part, whatever you have. Okay, suppose there is something, the linking part or some deep part or some inner deep part. Okay, so you are not feeling comfortable the way they are presenting there, or you are looking for some more good example. So those will discuss. It is not that only you'll be reading, and once you read, I'll also will talk to you regarding this, what we have read. Correct? Okay, guys, nothing more. I won't take much time because lot of microphone is also here. So when you are meeting, guys, next class?
Monday.
Monday, tell me. Monday, all are okay?
Yes, sir.
Monday, what time? Definitely it will be post 7:30.
Yes,
Not before that. So let's say start by 8. So 8 to 10 probably.
No problem, sir.
yes.
No. So I'll be expecting that we will be resolving this issue Monday. If
Sure.
we are able to able to digest HTML. So digestion is on your hand. And if there is any problem, I'll give you the medicine. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Yeah. Thanks.